Exicure Inc. XCUR stock currently up about 36% in this pre-market session of the 2nd of July 2021. So far 11.3 million shares have crossed the tape in this pre-market session. The stock is strongly bearish. You can see that it's been bearish since the best part of close to 3 months or thereabout. It's been bearish. At some point we saw the stock pick up some momentum, but all to no avail. Retraces again, pick up some momentum again, retraces. So, and of late we have seen scalpings going on the stock. It's been retracing. Definitely a lot of short interests. A significant amount of the stock must be sold short easily. 87.994 million shares outstanding. It's definitely a biotech stock. The news out there is that IPSEN and Exicure enter into exclusive collaboration targeting rare neurodegenerative disorders. Exicure will receive $20 million upfront payments and is eligible to receive up to $1 billion in option exercise fees and milestone payments should IPSEN opt into both programs, as well as tiered royalties in the deal. Exicure will receive $20 million upfront payment and is eligible to receive up to $1 billion in option exercise fees and milestone payments should IPSEN opt into both programs, as well as tiered royalties. IPSEN obtains exclusive options to spherical nucleic acids currently under discovery evaluation for the Huntington's disease and Angelman syndrome. Exicure will be responsible for discovery and certain preclinical development activities. In the event IPSEN exercises its option to 2 programs, IPSEN will be responsible for further development and worldwide commercialization. So that's the news out there for this stock, and it's how timely that is, how timely this news is. So you can see it just came out at the time. Well, I wouldn't say, yes, it came out at a time when the stock has been trading below all of its moving averages, and it's been doing that since, I think, since July easily. It's been trading below all of its moving averages, yes, probably since June of this year. So with this extension we're looking at right now, the stock is currently now above, yes, it is currently trading above its 10-day moving average. So let's look at that chart we're looking at over there. Let's look at it here now. This is the daily model. So that 1.8, it's currently trading at 1.87. so that will easily put it above all of these moving averages, apart from this one, or just close to it, probably above it as well. So it would have just suddenly risen above all of its moving averages. It only takes just one piece of positive news and the stock is now on the move. So $1.8 is the price. So it tells us that the 200 moving average is at 1.86. So easily, when this chart is operational, when the market resumes, it will easily be trading above all of its moving averages. So let's return to the 1-minute model and see how things are going there. You can see the stock has been moving sideways since this pre-market session. It's gapped up probably in the post-market, but all through this pre-market session it's been moving sideways. There was a slight spike here, but it pulled back and continued to move sideways. But currently it is just resting above all of its moving averages, but they're pretty much pretty much bunched up in probably in a very narrow range up there. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is waning at the moment, currently waning, indicating that people are not as active with the stock as they were before. RSI is also not so wonderful, just resting at around 56.93. It's not poor, but it's not so wonderful either. The MACD is just slightly above its signal line. All of these are just what's going on in the 1 minute live session for Exicure Inc. So it will receive, I believe, $20 million. So for most of these penny stocks, most of these biotech stocks, a lot of them, a huge number of them are penny stocks or development stage companies. They need all the cash they can come across. So this is some positive news for them, and the prospects of receiving $1 billion in option fees, that's also very good news. So the big question is it time to buy the stock? Well, I think the train has suddenly left the station. It left the station unannounced, rose by 37%. When the market opens in about when the market opens, that may also be when you are watching this video. The stock may not be as high as it is now. There's a good chance it may retrace, pull back, and retrace down to levels it has been for some time now. So there's no guarantee that that will be the case. Well, the fundamentals are looking good. $20 million, maybe things are going on well, but we haven't really done any due diligence to see what this company actually sells, but whether it actually does make money and all that stuff. But the fact that the stock is been bearish for some months now, it may be an indication that yes, it is still very much a development stage company. But do your research and find out what everything about this company. But all we can say is that the stock the train has left the station as it concerns opportunity of buying into the stock left to us. Just hold on and see what's going to happen. Just hold on and see whether it's going to retrace a bit more. I know the reverse could also be the case. When the market resumes, it could suddenly spike and continue to extend. But just simply because it has run up this level of extension, it's suddenly now trading at a slight premium to all of its, especially its short-term moving averages. It is doing so now, trading at a premium to them, but also not so much a premium to its 200-day moving average. So currently now it has now pulled back below. It's currently now below those short-term moving averages based on what's going on live now. So the extension is currently 35.19% at the moment. So just know what you're doing out there. For us, it's just hold on and see. That's our own opinion on XCUR, XCUR stock. That's our opinion. Definitely caution is definitely warranted. It has run up all of these extensions, so you just need to be really cautious. Okay, the stock before now was oversold. That was the best time to get into the stock. So, but for us, just hold on. That's what we will really say. Just hold on. There might be other opportunities to get involved in other stocks. But indeed there might be another opportunity for you to get involved with this stock. So, but you have to. It's ultimately your decision. Okay. So, thank you very much for watching this video.